Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what you are going to create today. This is a great slide. Let's try to create it. Okay, at first we need to add a new slide. In our new slide, we format the background and put it black. And then apply it to all. Then create 4 circles by holding Shift 1 and then by Control create 3 of them. After that, you need to create them in the size that is usable. Okay, then select one of them and align it center and middle, and the two of them here and here. Then copy the text, one text, paste it here, two text, three text. Now select all three and increase their size a little. Increase the size of text here. Now select all of them, make them middle, and then color it white. And color it white, then color it black. Now we have them, copy them. But before that, you need to create this slide. How to create something like this? It's easy. It's created by using gradient fill and this combination. So I'm going to use that gradient fill and destroy the heading and bring it up. And then copy this slide. Here select all of them, align them center, align them middle. You see now it's not looking perfect. It's because of what? Because you need to create order here. We send it to back and send it to back, bring it to front and bring it to front. Then copy that, select all of them and align them center, align them middle. See, now we have the order, but it's better to bring this to front. But after that, you need to reduce the transparency of it to create this like shadow. Now set the transition to morph and the magic happened. Let's take a look. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.